found our room, 2529. You can't see it at the moment, but unfortunately that's all construction over there. We'll have to wait and see what it sounds like tomorrow. So if Simon will do the honours with the Mickey to Mickey.
Mickey to Mickey.
Here we go. Oh wow, look at this. This is rather spivvy.
This is nice, isn't it? Oh, I like this.
So we've got 2 double beds. Place to hang your
Keys.
well, coats more than anything. Got table and chairs there.
And there's that
Mirror.
as well.
Oh, a day bed. Fridge. Nice and handy. Yep. Oh, look. That's very cute. Mickey and Goofy. Mickey and Pluto. Size of the telly on the wall.
Nice.
There's drawers underneath there. Drawers in there, I take it. Yeah, drawer. Yeah, we need to change the aircon. And then, oh look, we've got... Oh, this is nice. So let's find the switch for this. And then this is the bathroom area. So, got 2 double sinks. Nice big mirror. Nice makeup mirror in the corner as well, that's new. Hanging area. Digital safe, that's nice. They've got rid of all the keys. That's what we like to hear.
I like this.
And then into the bathroom. Normal bath, shower. Nice. Very nice. I'm happy with this. It's a nice size room, isn't it? Really nice.
Hang on. Got to do the test.
Okay, so I'm just going to do the test.
Oh, that's a nice bed.